Bertemu kembali. Pemenang Persekutuan Inovasi Teknologi dan Perkhidmatan Sedunia WITSA World Cup, Yani Senia dan Khairul Anwar meraih pengiktirafan antarabangsa itu melalui sumbangan mereka terhadap sains dan teknologi.
Kedua-dua pemenang berkongsi kegembiraan dan ramuan kejayaan mereka dan salah satunya adalah inspirasi dan peranan guru dalam mendidik mereka mencapai kejayaan.
Bagi Yani Shinyen, Ketua Pegawai Komersial Entomal Sendirian Berhad, beliau sangat berterima kasih kepada gurunya sewaktu sekolah menengah, Madam Wu.
So when I was 16 years old, my English teacher actually showed us a documentary called The Inconvenient Truth by Al Gore, and that was the time I told myself I wanted to do something that has a positive impact to the environment. But also similarly, two of my other co-founders, Vic and Thomas, all three of us shared the same vision when it comes to helping or contributing to the environmental sustainability, which is why when we got to meet each other and kind of know our skills and strengths, we decided to come together to start a company that can really bring not just sustainability to the environment, but also a business that can really achieve sustainably financially as well.
Yani yang menyertai WITSA World Cup berjaya membawa pulang gelaran juara melalui projeknya yang menggunakan lalat hitam untuk mengubah sisa menjadi sumber. Projek ini juga melibatkan usaha mereka untuk menjadikan sisa sago dan kelapa sawit sebagai makanan haiwan yang berkelanjutan dan telah menandatangani perjanjian usaha sama dengan SEDC Nutrico sewaktu Persidangan Ekonomi Digital Antarabangsa Sarawak IDEX 2024 yang diadakan di Pusat Konvensyen Borneo Kuching BCCK. Sementara itu, Khairul Anwar, pengasas dan CEO Pandai, turut mengakui sumbangan penting guru dalam hidupnya.
Alright, so the hope of Pandai is to realize our mission, which is to provide personalized quality education to as many students as possible. We know for the ones who can afford, especially for urban areas, they can pay for personalized tutors to quality materials. But for underprivileged students, maybe they do not have access to all this. That's why in Pandai we try to help as many as possible, and Pandai even has a free version that students can actually use indefinitely. Some parts of Pandai, and through that we actually want to help as many students as possible. And when we look at our data now, which is quite surprising, 30.8% of our students, our Pandai users, are actually from rural areas. So we're happy with that, and hopefully more students can be impacted with Pandai. And yes, we understand not many students, not all students can be successful academically, right?
Pada 7 Oktober lalu, Majlis Penyampaian Anugerah WITSA World Cup WWC berlangsung dalam kerangka WCIT 2024 Digitech di Yerevan, Armenia di Kompleks Karan Demircian. Syarikat pemula dari 10 negara termasuk Spanyol, Romania, Yunani, Armenia, Jordan, Malaysia, Mesir, United Kingdom dan Bahrain telah mengambil bahagian dalam pertandingan tersebut di mana setiap negara telah mengadakan pertandingan kebangsaan terlebih dahulu.